severe thunderstorm warning was just issued for Forsyth County. Right now. Yep, there it is.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Lumpkin County in north-central Georgia, Central Hall County in north-central Georgia, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Coal Mountain, or near Cumming, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Wind's definitely blowing here.
Hazard,
It's
60
bad.
miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Cumming, Flowery Branch, Oakwood, Doherty, Coal Mountain, High Tower, Matt, Aquila Park, Silver City, Chesapeake,
Oh, there's some thunder.
Oscarville, and War Hill Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
I don't live in Forsyth County, but
At 3 p.m.